Team, welcome. And it gives me a great pleasure and immense to tell you PL Wealth has the sixth corporate tie up with ICICI Lombard and third in our general insurance. As per the IRDA rules, PL Wealth is allowed to have six companies and three standalone health. So we already have three life insurance, and now this is a third tie up with ICICI Lombard with respect to general insurance. So general insurance, I mean, it is motor, health, and home, fire, travel insurance. So we welcome the ICICI Lombard team on board for a good tie-up to start with Prabhudas Leeladhar Wealth Distribution Company. And I welcome Samir Holmukhe, Pratik Joshi, and Shivraj Nair. And Shrishta is the trainer today. So she is going to train us for health products of ICC Lombard as well as little bit knowledge about motor insurance also. And Shivraj Nair will be our specified person centralized from Mumbai as a immediate contact person for any queries regarding general insurance products. Team, ICICI Lombard as ICICI Prudential has ground staff at all the local region locations of PL Wealth. So we will connect those team members later on. But today, let's begin with this fine tie-up with ICICI Lombard. Over to you, Pratik. You can introduce your team.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Tripti. Thank you so much for a
Yeah,
great
and from
introduction.
Prabhudas, we have Piyush as head investment products, and I am the principal officer, and Mohammad Hussain is the assistant to the team.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tripti. So, hello, team. Welcome you on board. I am Pratik Joshi. I take care for banker partnership across Pan India for multiple banks and BFCs. As you all know, we as ICICI Lombard is number one private sector general insurance company, and we are leading it from past couple of years. And in terms of our claim settlement ratio, in terms of health, we are at 99% claim settlement ratio, and in terms of motor, we are at 94. So the basic essence of any insurance company is that the claim settlement ratio and service to be on a track. So if you see the track record of ICICI Lombard, by the brand name you see, ICICI Lombard always have a nice brand value in terms of customer satisfaction per se. So on behalf of entire ICICI Lombard team, we welcome PL team on board, and we look forward for a great association and a great success story on coming years. So I have my team member here, Samir Holmukhe, who heads the entire Mumbai, and he takes care for West also for a couple of relationship. For PL, he will be leading entire Mumbai, and across Pan India partnership, he will be taking care for PL. He has his team member under him, who is Shivraj Nair, who will be a single point of contact for PL queries and booking and issuances. And under Shivraj, we will be having local spots at your locations. So the mapping will be shared with Tripti and Piyush accordingly. So we will be having an escalation matrix at all locations, wherein the single point of contact details and email ID will be there. He will be coming to your branches frequently. He will be assisting you in terms of calls. He will be accompanying you for call closures. And in terms of training also, he will be there. So we will also be having a escalation matrix at ground. So we welcome entire Pan India team of PL, and we look forward for a good and successful year ahead. Over to Samir Holmukhe. So he will give his brief introduction, and then we'll move on to Shrestha Agnihotri for the training. Thanks
Thank
team.
you,
All
Pratik. Thank you, Pratik.
thanks.
Yeah, hi guys. Pratik, thank you first of all for the good quick introduction about the company, and good evening to all the employees of PL Wealth Limited. About to start about me, I've been in ICICI Lombard since the last 8 years now. 8 years, the fantastic journey with ICICI Lombard. How we take this forward relationship is that as Pratik has articulated it quite well. Shivraj will be the one who will sort of be anchoring this relationship. and Shivraj basically folds into me. And what will also happen is that we'll also have once we have the list of locations available, we'll map our pan India resources also, so that you have local point of contact for seamless closures uh, at the locations. And we will also train you guys locally after this webinar also. So this webinar, the agenda is to introduce ICICI Lombard to PL Wealth, and what are our strengths, what are our USPs, what are our champion products. So the champion products will be taken care, will be trained by our trainer Srishta Agnihotri. So Srishta has roughly around 12 to 13 years of experience in the industry, and she is with Lombard since the last 12 or 12 to 13 years, right? So in a way, she's a vintage person who will be the best person to explain these products to you. So I think we can start the session with the product.
Yes. Samir, and you said local means you will be giving us the support even if the client requires, like basically for
Yes.
insurance and group
For
product.
closures. So
Yeah.
in case if there is a requirement of physical meeting, so we have
Yes.
our local manpower spread out across India.
Okay.
So once
Great.
you share the list of locations, we'll map the locations along with the hierarchy matrix and give it back
Yeah,
to
I
you.
will share it to you after this session.
Yeah, yeah, perfect, perfect.
Okay.
So Shrestha, over to you, please. This is your show now, your stage. Please take it ahead. Thank you.
Okay, so first of all, good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone are safe and sound. And thank you very much, Pratik and Sameer, for the introduction. And thanks to you, to Trupti, for arranging the session. So, team, here we are for the new tie-up, and we will be introducing you with the basics of three products. That would be complete health insurance, that would be your health insurance, the top-up plan, and the motor insurance. So first we will go ahead with health insurance. I'll take you with the basics of it, and if anybody has got any query, we can have that queries in the end of the product. So this is one CHI, wherein I'll be taking you with the basics कि इसमें क्या क्या cover है. Okay. So health insurance is something wherein we cover the person. It is an indemnity product, and this can be given to the individual and to the family on a floater basis. So the floater means there would be a single sum insured for the whole family. The family definition here is husband, wife, and two children, or it can be two adults and two children. The maximum children's what we are covering in the policy are the three children's what we can cover maximum in a single family, and two adults. So husband, wife, and three children are the maximum limit that we cover in the policy. The entry age of the child or the any one individual is 6 months, and we cover up to, there is no entry age for this. So if somebody's age is 60 or 65 or 70, we cover them. So still you can give them the coverage. Medicals would be required in this. So about the age of 46, medicals are required. So I'll just go through you, take you through the coverages, what all will be covered in the policy. So first of all, we cover inpatient treatment. Inpatient treatment means we require minimum 24 hours of the hospitalization. So somebody who has been hospitalized for continuously for 24 hours, the person is eligible for the claim. We do cover pre and post hospitalization, that is for 30 and 60 days. So before the hospitalization, whatever expenses the person is occurring with, that will be the consultation charges, the medicines, and the pathological test. They are being covered in the policy pre 30 days. Then post 30 days, that would be after the hospitalization, after the discharge, the expenses, whatever occurred, they are being covered till 60 days. We do cover inpatient Ayush treatment. Ayush treatment is nothing but the Ayurvedic, homeopathic, Unani, Siddha. So they are the treatments. If somebody is hospitalized for these treatments, they are taking these kind of treatments, they are being covered in the policy. This particular benefit is generally not being given in the industry. There are very few companies who offer this. One of them is ICICI Lombard. So we cover Ayush hospitalization treatment as well. We do cover daycare procedures. So daycare procedure is something wherein if the person has been hospitalized for less than 24 hours, so those treatments are covered in the policy. There's a list of around 150 elements for which we provide daycare treatments. Daycare procedures are covered. So some of them could be if somebody has got cataract or somebody has to do dialysis. So they are being covered in the policy. There is a PED waiting period. So PED is a pre-existing disease. So if somebody has a pre-existing element before taking up the policy, if somebody has got a disease like diabetes or they have hypertension or any other disease, so they have to declare before taking up the policy, they have to declare it to us, and there would be a waiting period which they have given, that is of 2 years. That is a compulsory 2 years waiting period for those elements. We do give additional sum insured, that is a cumulative bonus. What we can tell it as a no claim bonus. So if somebody has taken up a policy and they have not claimed in the current policy, they are renewing next year. So they will get an additional sum insured, which means if somebody has a cover of 5 lakhs, next year when he is renewing his policy, he or she will be eligible for the additional sum insured benefit of 50,000, so that their complete sum insured will become 5,50,000. So that is an additional benefit that they will be getting as in no claim bonus. We have wellness programs. There is the points what the insured get, whatever kind of an exercise or walking, there is an application what insured can download in their phones and they can utilize that. So they will be getting additional points for that, which they can redeem at the time of renewal. So that works as in discounting. Okay. So the last point what we have covered with the value-added services and the wellness program. Okay. Now the next point, these are all the add-on covers what we can additionally give to the customers with the additional costing to it. Okay, so इससे पहले वाली slide में हमने basic covers किए थे जहाँ पे there's no additional premium charge to them, but ये जो slides है यहाँ पे we can give them additionally, we can ask them if they want these kind of coverages, they can add it by giving us an extra premium, additional charges for that. So those coverages are, we can cover donor expenses. So if there is a transplant which is required, any kind of an major organ transplant is required for which we require the donor. So donor expenses are covered in the policies up to rupees 10 lakhs, not more than that. So up to rupees 10 lakhs, we will give it to the donor. There is unlimited reset benefit. So reset benefit हमारे सारे products में है, सब products में, but this is something we can give unlimited reset benefit. So generally सिर्फ 100% तक reset benefit मिलता है, but over here if you opt for the unlimited one, okay, so we can have the unlimited reset benefit. So in case if somebody has taken a policy of 10 lakhs, okay, so there will be an additional reset benefit of 10 lakhs into the policy, that will be 100%. But if at all customer has opted for unlimited reset benefit, he can have that benefit of that. Then we cover domiciliary hospitalization and air ambulance cover. So air ambulance is something you have been hospitalized in one particular city, okay, But due to medical condition, doctors have suggested that medical facilities are not available in this particular city. You have to be flown to some other city for which you require an air ambulance. So that coverage is being given in this particular policy. We have emergency services and claim protectors. So claim protector is something wherein आपका जो क्लेम आ रहा है, ओके, विच इज ऑफ आपका 5 लाख का पॉलिसी है एंड आपका अगर 2 लाख का क्लेम है, ओके, सो इट वर्क्स एज एन
it's a basic so hi, so we have something Shivraj here, so we have something like a claim protector over here wherein basic your claim amount is protected. So we have another claim protector coverage also in this product wherein your claims are protected end to end, and additional charges are being paid during the time of claims. And we also have this. Just a moment, Shrestha, you are audible? Yeah.
So sum insured protector is something, it is available in some of the sub products, which is, if you see the plus plans, which is Health Shield Plus and Allied Plus. So they are not being given in the basic plans, which are like 5 lakh of the sum insured. If somebody opts, they cannot opt for these plans. Okay. So if they are taking for the higher sum insured, that is of more than 10 lakhs of the plan, 7 lakhs, 10 lakhs, then they will be eligible for these add-on coverages, which is like sum insured protector, claim protector, emergency services. So sum insured protector is if the claim arises, okay, so आपका जो additional sum insured मिलता है सिर्फ वही deduct होगा, वही कम किया जाता है. आपका जो main sum insured hota hai, the base plan, that has not been reduced if you take this particular plan. We do have the worldwide cover. So initially these health insurance policies were only valid in India. They were not valid for any other country. Now ICICI Lombard has introduced a worldwide plans wherein if you are opting for Health Shield Plus or Health Allied Plus plans, they are valid in all over the world. So wherever you're going, if you have this policy, you don't require to have any additional policies. This is more than sufficient for any other country. So the last one is Super No Claim Bonus. So Super No Claim Bonus is only available in Allied Plus plan, which is of more than 20 lakhs of the plan, between 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs. So Super No Claim Bonus is something wherein you get only, in a normal policy, you get additional 10% up to 50%. But if you opt for this sum insured, this particular coverage, you will be eligible for 100% of the sum insured. So if somebody has taken a plan of 20 lakhs, they can go up to additional 20 lakhs. Instead of going for only 10 lakhs, that is the 50% of the basic sum insured, they can get a benefit of 20 plus 20. So every claim-free year will add up to 10% and they can go up to 100%. Then we have the additional benefit, add-on benefit of nursing at home and compassionate visit. So nursing at home is something which is covered only in Allied Plus plan, which is if the doctors suggest that the person, the insured person needs nursing at home, that has to be given written by the doctors. So if they are being given that way, so maximum up to 15 days, they can have this benefit. For that, they will be getting 3,000 rupees per day, up to maximum up to 15 days. So in a total tenure of 1 year, that is a yearly policy, the person can take this benefit up to 15 days, maximum up to 15 days, that is 3,000 rupees per day. And compassionate visit is something if somebody, the insured person is in one particular city and his family, the blood relatives are into the other city. The insured's condition is critical and their immediate family members wants to visit him or her, the insured person. So the charges of it is being bared by the insured company, that is up to 20,000 rupees, maximum up to 20,000 rupees. So वहाँ पे आपको economic class का tickets दिया जाता है, wherein they can take that benefit if the person's illness is critical. So any two members, that is a blood relatives, any two members are being covered for this, not more than two. तो आपका फ्लाइट के जो चार्जेस होते हैं फॉर इकोनॉमिक क्लास फॉर 2 members, they are being covered. We do cover maternity and OPD benefit. So maternity is covered only in Health Allied and Allied Plus plans. So maternity is basically covered after 3 years of the policy. So after 3 years, maternity is covered in the policy, and we do cover the OPD benefit. So OPD is something the outpatient department charges. So basically the person is not been hospitalized, okay, but if he is getting his consultation done and he's taking any medicines, and if he's doing any pathological test with the prescription of the doctor, okay, those things are covered in the policy. So one is inpatient and one is outpatient. So this we are talking about the outpatient department charges. So this particular benefit, this is the OPD, is the USP of our product, wherein it is not being covered by more of the companies in the industry. ICICI Lombard is one of them who provides this kind of a benefit to our customers. Then we also give the benefit of hospital daily cash and convalescence benefit. Hospital daily cash is again covered for Health Allied and Allied Plus products. So hospital daily cash is something wherein if the insured person is hospitalized for continuously for more than 3 days, the person is eligible for 2,000 rupees per day over and above his or her hospital bill. So if somebody is being hospitalized for 5 days, continuously for 5 days, okay, then he or she is eligible for 10,000 rupees of hospital cash benefit. Whatever will be his or her hospital bill, over and above that, he or she will get 10,000 rupees as a hospital cash benefit. That will be after 3 days, maximum up to 10 days. And convalescence benefit is, it is flat amount, 10,000 rupees. And this is applicable only after continuously if somebody is hospitalized for more than 10 days. So if somebody is hospitalized for more than 10 days, then from 11th day, whatever day it is, whether it is 15 days, 20 days, 12 days, whatever X amount days he's or she is been hospitalized, he or she is eligible to get 10,000 as in convalescence benefit over and above his hospital bills. Okay, here it is the limit of maternity what we are giving. So maternity benefit is something other Health Allied plan if somebody has chosen. So for 3, 4 and 5 lakhs, these will be the limits. That is of normal delivery, it would be 15,000, and for cesarean, it would be 25,000. So same way, these are the limits which you will be getting handy once we will be sharing you with the product details. And OPD starts with 5,000 and maximum up to 20,000. This depends upon the plan what the insured person is choosing. That will be differ person to person. We do have the optional add-on covers for critical illness. If somebody wants to cover the critical illness in health insurance, they can cover critical illness in health insurance by paying the extra premium. This will be the benefit policy. So we will be covering 18 critical illnesses. That is up maximum up to the sum insured of, if somebody has taken a sum insured of 50 lakhs, then it would be covered only for 50% of the sum insured. That means for 25 lakhs. And till the sum insured of 10 lakhs, it would be 100% cover. Okay, so अगर किसी का 10 लाख का sum insured उन्होंने opt किया and they have also opted for critical illness, it would be covered for 10 lakhs. Critical illnesses will be covered for 10 lakhs. So we will be covering 18 critical illnesses on diagnosis basis. We will also cover personal accident. So personal accident will be due to accident if death happens, or due to accident, permanent disability happens. So it is covered in the policy. These points are already been covered. I'll take you to the next slide. Okay, this is...
Yeah, hi, sir. Sorry to interrupt. Shivaj here. So I think we also need to discuss the claim protector, which add-on which we have list. So claim protector is basically a add-on cover, wherein claim protector is an add-on cover, wherein 50 if the claim is up till 50,000, then their no claim bonus will be available. The customer, if he's opted for a claim protector, they will be able to get the NCB, no claim bonus, up to 50,000. So, and if in case the claim amount goes beyond 50,000, will his no claim bonus be affected? So, reiterating the claim protector part is, in case the customer opts for a claim protector policy, then up to 50, if the claim value is up to 50,000 in a year per annum, then his no claim, only when it exceeds 50,000 will his no claim bonus will become zero. So, I think this is one point we had left to discuss. I think Shesha, you can carry on from here.
Okay, this slide is for the understanding of hospital cash and convalescence benefit. I'll not go into the details because once they will start doing the things, I think then they will be in a better position to understand. So I think I'm done with CHI product over here. We can take up the questions if somebody has.
Thanks, Shesha. So team, this is the basic product CHI, complete health insurance, which we call in ICICI terms, we call it CHI, which is complete health insurance. And this is the overall product as to what it is. Hi. And then in case we have any queries, I'll request you, we could post queries, and Trainer Sheshta or will be happy to help you and answer your queries. Team, in case of any queries, please do let us know. So the Q&A session
team,
for
if
CHI.
you have any queries, put your questions on the chat box, please.
So team, this is a basic training which we have done. The in-depth training will be conducted location-wise by the once the location details are shared by our multiple location spots and leaders. So this is a basic understanding of a CHI product, which we all know, and which we have covered the basic vanilla products, which we will be circulating and which will be selling. Any questions, please feel free to unmute yourself and ask. And in case of none, probably we can move on to our next product, which would be the Health Booster product.
Let's move to the next product, Shivaj.
Okay, sure. Shrestha, please carry on with the next product. We can go to the Health Booster product. So team, what is Health Booster? In market, many people call it as a top-up plan. Many people call it as a Health Booster plan. Both are all one and the same. What is Health Booster and why Health Booster is required? So being Health Booster, as we all know, or top-up, as we all know, is something over and above, something on top of what you already have. And on that scale, we call it as a booster because it gives you a boost at the time of need if you have a health insurance. It is known as a Health Booster. Just the product in a nutshell, say, giving an example, it can be elaborated like this. In case you have a sum insured of 1 lakh rupees in CHI cover, say for example, you have sum insured of 5 lakh rupees in CHI cover and you opted for a 10 lakh cover. So the moment your 5 lakhs is exhausted in a year, the 10 lakh will chip in to your rescue. So the moment your base plan is exhausted, your top-up plan will pitch in immediately after. So we have something, in case somebody has opted for a coverage of 10 lakh rupees, a top-up cover with an excess of 5 lakh, that means the individual would have had a base policy of 5 lakh, which he has exceeded. And once that 5 lakhs is over on top of the 5 lakhs, he is eligible for another 10 lakhs of cover. Now it could be either with an ICICI Lombard policy, or it could either be a market, any other car insurance company's policy. So it doesn't have to be compulsory. The base policy is not compulsory to be an ICICI Lombard policy. It could be any insurance company's policy, and we can offer the top up any of them. So basically, the major point is this product can be offered to existing ICICI Lombard for people who are having a CHI of ICICI Lombard, or even to people who are holding a health insurance product of any other company. I think we are back on track, and Shrestha, I'll hand over the reins to you. You can take it forward.
Thank you, Shivraj, for the brief explanation. So guys, he's more or less covered the point. Okay, so this is where something Health Booster is a top-up plan. Okay, so as he correctly said कि आपके पास अगर base plan already है या नहीं भी है, okay, still the person can cover himself by taking a health booster policy or a top-up policy. This plan can be given to any existing customer of ICICI Lombard or to any other company का अगर base plan है, you can cover that also. And other thing is, अगर आपके पास group policy है, if somebody is already covered in group health insurance policies, you can give them this policies as well. So this can be combined with any health insurance policy, any group mode policy. So Health Booster is act as an top up if your base plan gets exhausted or it is insufficient to pay the claim. Okay, this top up plan will come into the picture, and it is pocket friendly also as compared to the base plan. So base plan अगर आप 10 लाख का लेते हैं, it will cost you somewhat around 20,000, 25,000. Wherein if you take a health booster or a top up plan of 10 lakh of the same sum insured, that will cost somewhat around 10,000 or 12,000 rupees. So that is the difference between your health booster and your base plan. Coverages are more or less same in your base plan and your health booster plan. I'll just take you through with the base of this in short. So the basic features of health booster plan is the cover is inpatient treatment. So again, 24 hours of a hospitalization is the basic requirement if anybody wants to claim. There are 150 daycare procedures, so which are covered. So for that, we don't require 24 hours of an hospitalization. Like I said in the previous product, अगर किसी का cataract का operation है, dialysis है, for which we require the hospitalization of around 4 hours or 5 hours, it is covered in the policy. So we are covering 150 daycare procedures in the policy, which falls into daycare treatment. And if somebody wants to claim for that, they can claim it. Ayush treatment is again covered in the policy. Ayush, I'll again tell you, it is nothing but Ayurvedic, homeopathic, Unani and Siddha treatment. So if somebody has been hospitalized for these treatments, they are being covered in the policy. Domiciliary hospitalization, donor expenses are covered into this. Pre and post hospitalization, which is covered in this, is for 60 and 90 days. In base plan, it is covered for 30 and 60 days. In top up, it is covered for 60 and 90 days. So pre-hospitalization 60, post-hospitalization 90 days. Domestic road ambulance cover is covered up to 5,000 per hospitalization or 1% of the sum insured, whichever is less. So inbuilt coverages, what is there in the policy are the reset benefits. So reset benefit, I have already explained you कि आपका base plan जो है या base cover जो है, if that gets exhausted, after the waiting period of 1 month, the person is eligible for the reset benefit. That is up to 100% of the sum insured. So आपका 5 lakh का cover है, if that get exhausted, you will again get 5 lakh rupees. That is the reset benefit. We are giving additional sum insured, complimentary health checkup, wellness program, and claim service guarantee. So these are again the inbuilt cover, what we have already covered in the previous product. We also have the optional covers, that is hospital daily cash, convalescence benefit, personal accident, and repatriation of remains. We do cover critical illnesses also in this. So these are the same optional covers what we have already covered in the previous product. So once you understand the base plan, Health Booster is the same plan what we are offering. There is only the difference between the duration of pre and post hospitalization and the amount. So I'm also done with the Health Booster plan. It is same as compared to your base plan what we have covered. So if anybody has got any confusion or any questions as far as your Health Booster and your base plan goes, they can ask, because both the products are somewhat similar. The only difference is कि जब तक आपका बेस प्लान insufficient नहीं होता है या आपका बेस प्लान 0 नहीं हो जाता है, तब तक आपका हेल्थ बूस्टर का प्लान ट्रिगर नहीं होगा. Only this thing we have to keep in mind. If somebody has a base plan of 5 lakh and they have opted for a top-up plan of 10 lakhs, okay? So 5 lakhs needs to get exhausted or it has to be insufficient to pay the claim. If that is not happening, then your booster plan will not get triggered. So this is, you can combine this product with any of the company's basic health insurance plans, or if anybody has got any GHI, that is group health policies, if somebody has, they can still take top-up plans. And if anybody has got no base policies, they can still opt for top-up plans. So in that particular case, if anybody has got no plans, no basic health plans, and if they want to opt for top-up policy, they can opt for top-up policy, but that we will be having certain deductible. कि आपका बेस प्लान अगर 3 लाख का है and you are taking a top up plan of say 5 lakh of rupees or 10 lakh of rupees, so वो जो initial 3 lakh of rupees है, अगर आपका कोई बेस प्लान नहीं है तो वो 3 लाख रुपए तक का खर्चा कस्टमर को बेयर करना पड़ेगा. Once that 3 lakh rupees is done, then you can start claiming on a top up plan.
Shrishta, so your booster plan starts from which? I mean, the base plan should be minimum 3 lakhs or
5 lakhs, 5 to 50.
Minimum 5.
Yes.
So for a 3 lakh base plan, you're not giving any top up, right?
No. अगर किसी का base plan 3 lakhs का है, I can give him a top up of 5 lakh of rupees or 7 lakhs or 10 lakhs.
Okay.
तो मेरा
what we have basically covered is that in case whatever the base plan is, we can start our top-up policy from a plan of 5 lakh rupees. So in case our top-up plan starts with a deductible of 5 lakh rupees. So even if the customer has got a 3 lakh, we can offer him. The only thing is he will have to bear the difference of 2 lakhs. Say for example,
Shivraj, why I'm asking this question? Because we has a group health insurance, right? So it starts from 2 lakhs and 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs is only the management getting it. So if who has 2 lakhs, can he be given a top up or no? That was my actual.
Okay, I would like to answer over here, Trupti.
Okay, so what?
Plan 2 lakh का है, okay, and हमारा जो start होता है top up, that is of 5 lakhs with the 3 lakh of deductible, okay. तो अगर 3 लाख का deductible है, 2 लाख का उसका base plan है, आप उसको दे सकते हो, but condition would be कि 2 लाख तो उसका base plan में से deduct होगा ही, additional 1 lakh he has to bear it from his pocket, then only he will be eligible for the top-up plan. Uska trigger 3 lakh ka consumption ke baad hi hoga.
I know it triggers after the exhaustion.
Yes.
1 lakh has to be paid. Okay, done.
Yes.
No, because you will be getting on location-wise this query, because everybody has the base plan of 2 lakhs, right? So
yeah, that is a minimum what they have nowadays.
Right.
So the 3 lakh that has been set up is because considering the market scenario now, because any which ways on an average, an individual needs to have a medical insurance of at least 5 lakh, 3 to 5 lakhs. So that's the reason why we have a base of excess of 3 lakhs set as in our plan. So yes, so any other queries, team, please do let us know. We have done with top up also. So basically we have covered the health plan. These are the two basic plans which we had initially discussed and which we will be selling across. We do have a wider range of health products, but to start with, we have decided to initiate our tie-up with these two plans and really pushing it across with these two plans. And Mota, the other product that we have had for training in this session is Mota. It is a wider product which will take a lot of time. The detailed discussion and training of these motor products will be conducted by individual locations at multiple of your branches. And considering the time constraint we have, I will give you a brief idea as to what in motor is. So motor basically we have basically two covers, which is an OD and a TPD. And OD means own damage, and TPD means a third party damage that we cover. So as per law, as per Motor Act, a vehicle should always have a third party cover. We provide a third party cover by default. The basic, and then on with it, we give an OD coverage for all the vehicles. So a vehicle which has got an OD and a third party coverage in it is what is called as a comprehensive cover. And in this, please always note that the discounting or any aspect of it is always given on the TPD part. So any discount of any motor vehicles which you talk of, the most favorite word is the discount when it comes to motor policy. Kitna discount milta. So whatever discount that is given is always given on the OD part and not on the third party product, third party premium. As far as motor is concerned, we do all kinds of private cars. We do two-wheeler insurances also. However, we also do commercial vehicles also. But at this point in time, we do not do Ola or Uber taxis for obvious reasons, because of the risk factor of it. So Ola and taxis are a decline category in our thing. And this is what it is. I think, and moreover, we have got few add-ons also. So I will request Shrestha to just briefly run through the motor products, and we will have a detailed training session in multiple locations, and it can be taken forward. So Shrestha, if you could just share the slide, and we could start with the motor product also.
Thank you, Shivraj. So as Shivraj has...
Sure. So thanks, Trupti. Thanks.
Thanks a lot, everyone, for your time, and thanks a lot to all the attendees. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We'll again post the next session where we'll cover all the other products in depth. So thank you, ICICI Lombard team also for the nice presentation.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, team.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
So Trupti, we will be having a Pan-India training session again
Yes,
in next week. And then we will be sharing the location-wise box also.
Yeah, I'll share it to you. I'll share it to you. Yeah.
Right. Thanks so much.
Thanks everybody. Thanks.